All right, embrace yourself to only hear Ganpati Bappa Moria with full zeal for the next 10 days as one of the most celebrated Hindu festivals is finally here. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, everyone. It's that time of the year when every nook and corner of India will only speak the language of Bappa. I'm going straight across to Vidya, joining us from Mumbai city at this point in time. Ganesh Chaturthi, of course, is celebrated everywhere, Vidya, but Mumbai is special when it comes to these celebrations, isn't it? Where are you? Get us what you see around you, the kind of enthusiasm. Welcome Ganpati Bappa this time around.
Since morning we have started seeing long queues, and there are thousands of mandals and there are long queues outside these mandals. I'm right now at one such mandal which is in Paral area of Mumbai, and here you see Ganpati in different forms, and the form that has been given here is that of Lord Ram. If you look at Ganpati, he looks like Lord Ram. Let's speak to the organizer here and find out आप लोग ने यहाँ क्या दर्शाने की कोशिश की?
यहाँ ये टाइम हम लोग ने भगवान के रूप में भगवान राम को यहाँ पे हम लोग ने किया है। हम लोग हर साल पौराणिक कथाओं के हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ करते। लास्ट टाइम हम लोग ने ये अलग किए थे, ये टाइम थोड़ा किया। सामने राम मंदिर भी हम लोग ये टाइम किया है।
If I can just show you, they're trying to construct, which is actually still under construction, but they've constructed the entire Ram temple as it looks in Ayodhya. That is something that is being reflected. They have brought the entire Ayodhya in Ganpati festival for the Mumbaikars. So, if you just look at this one particular place, which is basically Paral, Lal Bagh and all these areas, these are the areas where, the old Mumbai really lives, and it really does celebrate the festival the way it was. And you do see Ganpati in various different forms. Ganesh Chaturthi is just one way of taking this entire festivity forward and traveling across the city, and not just in Mumbai but also in Pune, Nashik, other districts where because Ganpati is a huge festival especially in Maharashtra, where people celebrate it with big fervor and look forward to this festival round the year to get Ganpati to their homes as well. So you have a lot of idols in homes who are, they'll be there for the next many days. Some keep it for 1.5 days, some keep it for 5, 7 or the 10 days of the festival. But we will definitely be seeing Ganpati for the next 10 days across the city of Mumbai and Maharashtra.
Take us through also the precautions and the arrangements in place, given that this is a 10-day long festival, Vidya, like you mentioned. Of course, arrangements would be in place to ensure that there is no inconvenience as far as regular life is concerned. Take us to the details of the same.
No, there have been a little, especially around some of the big Ganpati pandals, like the Lal Bagh Ka Raja, which is right next door. There are huge, convoys of police personnel who have been placed in every locality, especially around Lal Bagh, to ensure that the security is not breached at any way, because there will be lots of people who are traveling there. In fact, right now when we went to Lal Bagh, there are people who want to get inside the pandal, but for that they don't know which way to get into. So there are a lot of gates and entrances and barricading that has been put in place so that people who go in do not really create a stampede-like situation. Everyone just proceeds ahead and exits out without any untoward incident. So that's one place, thing about one particular place. But across the city, because of pandals and mandals creating their pandals in, like say, in a particular area, the traffic diversions have been put in place, and the local people have been told as to how to avoid traffic, because today is a holiday in Maharashtra, but in the next few days the schools and offices will start again. So certainly for them, for people who are on their daily commute, for them to zigzag their life through the traffic of Mumbai will be difficult. But to ensure that there is a smooth sail, the traffic diversions have been put in place.
Leaving it that for the moment, Vidya getting in those details, joining us from Parel at this point in time, taking us through those beautiful pictures also from Mumbai city. Of course, It's not just Mumbai, there are other cities also, in fact, immersing themselves in the joyous celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi, a 10-day long festival that begins today.